Ready to level up your freelance career and collaborate with top-tier clients? Let's dive into exactly how digital marketing professionals can join Toptal. First, navigate to Toptal's website and locate the Apply as a Freelancer button. Click this to begin the application process. You will start by filling out a preliminary application. This involves providing your basic information and key specialization. As a digital marketing professional, sure to select it. Next, the screening process begins. This is designed to test your skills. Expect assessments like English proficiency, a logic and problem-solving evaluation, and a skill-based test tailored to digital marketing principles and practices. The skills test validates your knowledge in areas such as SEO, SEM, content marketing, social media, and marketing analytics. Prepare to showcase your expertise. Successful candidates move on to the project phase. This can involve a project to confirm a potential for success in real-world client work. This proves your real-world capability. If accepted, you'll gain access to the Toptal Platform. There, you can browse and bid on high-quality digital marketing projects, connecting you with a global network of businesses. By successfully completing this comprehensive process, you join an elite network and open doors to exciting opportunities. So, apply today and see where Toptal can help unlock your career.